Assalamu alaikum. Today's recipe will be vegetarian dish aloo matar gajar sabzi. So basically that's potatoes, peas and carrots. For the ingredients you will need 1 large tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste, 1 large chopped onion or sliced like so, slices, 2 to 3 medium potatoes, a small cup, half of the cup of the oil, bunch of coriander chopped, and 2 to 3 tomatoes sliced, 1 to 2 green chilli, kasuri methi, that would be fenugreek leaves, and 1 cup of peeled chopped carrot, 1 cup of frozen peas, and from the masalas you will need 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of haldi, that would be turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a little bit less than half of the teaspoon of black pepper. All the ingredients will be listed in description on the YouTube channel. So please follow, like and subscribe. And now let's get cooking. So first in a large pot we're gonna heat up the oil. And next I've added onions sliced so that they can change the color to brown, golden brown. Now the onions are becoming transparent, and before they change golden color, I've added just now garlic and ginger paste. Mix it well and let it all change to golden color. And now that the color has changed, now I'm going to add tomatoes and a little bit of water and make it small fire and cover it so that tomatoes can soften. Not too much water, just a little bit, and small fire and cover it. Now I open the lid and remove the skins that they have softened easily with small fire and with being covered. And I'm going to let it all become more disintegrated, the tomatoes, before I add any masalas. And now that oil has started to separate, I'm going to add masalas, mix it. And now I'm going to add first carrots and peas and a little bit of water and cover it and let it cook. So I added first carrots and peas and a little bit of water, not too much so you don't lose the taste from the gravy, just a little bit water, and cover it and let it cook for a while on a small to medium fire, and only then later add potatoes, as potatoes would soften much faster than the carrots. Now it's been about 10 minutes for carrots and peas cooking, and as you can see, peas already starting to change color. Now I'm going to add potatoes. So it's been 10 minutes now. So I added potatoes and gave it a gentle mix. And also I will add green chili and let it be covered and cook on a small fire for the potatoes to soften. And once potatoes are getting softened, then please add kasuri methi. Mix it and cover it. Make sure the potatoes have softened. So once you have checked that potatoes are definitely soft, add some fresh coriander and cover it and let it simmer for 1 to 3 minutes on small fire, and then you can switch it off. It will be ready. And now the dish is fully cooked, and as you can see that potatoes are not falling apart, all the vegetables have the shape, and you can enjoy it and with naan, paratha or roti. And full description, as I mentioned, will be in the comments or in description on the YouTube channel. So please like, follow and share for more recipes. Thank you.